Because we are long overdue with a 360-degree flare skirt. Hi guys, I am Nkiruka Obaego, and in today's video we are going to be cutting a 720-degree flare, and I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to do that. So you'll be needing basically two measurements, that is your waist measurement, which is 32 for me, and the full length of your dress, which is 28.5 in my own case, right? The full length of the dress, like the actual length, is 44, right? And the half length of the dress is 16.5. So you are going to minus your 44 from 16.5 to get 28.5. Is that okay? So these are the two measurements you'll be needing. Now let's calculate for the 720-degree flare. Remember that when you want to cut your 360-degree flare, the formula that we use for 360-degree flare is your waist circumference divided by 6.28, right? 6.28. So in the case of a 720-degree flare, right, we are going to be multiplying this 6.28 by 2, because a 720-degree flare is as a result of a combination of two 360-degree flare skirts, right? So now 6.28 times 2, that will give us 12.56. So this is the formula we are going to be using to calculate for our 720-degree flare skirt. So now the next thing you are going to do is to divide your waist measurement, which is 32 divided by 12.56. okay? So in my own case, when I divide 32 by 12.5, that will give me 2.54, approximately 2.5. So it is this 2.5 that we are going to use to cut out our 720-degree flare. So now we are done with the calculation. Let's move on to cutting the fabric. So guys, now that we are done with the calculation, let us cut out the fabric, right? So this is the Ankara fabric that I'll be using, and because Ankara is by 45, it is not going to be enough for our length this side, okay? So we are going to join to it. You guys know how to join fabric to a flare dress in cases like this. So I'm going to mark my 2.5 radius. So now that I've marked this, I'm going to take the full length of my skirt and mark. So I'm marking 30.5. The reason why I'm marking this is because the lower part I'm going to hem, right? So did you see? It is not enough, so we are joining fabric to this part. Let me join it so that you guys can see. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do is to overlap this pattern paper here by ½ inch. I'm going to use this pattern paper to cut the rest of the material that is needed, okay? So I just want to do this as fast as possible because my baby is awake and I started making some little noises. Before you know it, he will start to cry. So overlap the pattern paper onto the Ankara fabric by ½ inch like this, okay? Then you continue with your marking. So let me bring this closer to myself. Oh, he's already crying. Well, I'm coming. Let me finish this video. So the next thing you're going to do is to connect these markings like that. Okay, and cut out. So you are going to be cutting two of these, remember, okay? That will give you your 720-degree flay. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and do not forget to subscribe or follow us, okay? So this is the makeup. So this is what I'll be cutting to add up to the Ankara fabric, okay? In cases like this, you're going to use a fabric that has no particular so you cut off your waistline. The next thing I'm going to do is to match the middle. Match the middle, then you take out. Okay. Middle to middle, okay, you join them. This one is complete. So because I'm making 3 outfits for my clients, one is a madam blouse and the remaining 2 is a half cut pencil gown and a flay gown. Reason why we illustrated the 720-degree flay right? So I've already cut out this princess, armhole princess dart for the first gown. Okay, so I'll just place this pattern on the second fabric and cut out. This is the smartest way to work. So this method will only work when you have similar projects at hand. Like for me, her half length is both armhole princess that is why you see me doing this. Okay, so guys, this will be all for this video. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like it so that others will get to see. Okay, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. See ya, enjoy your watch, and bye.